Example 1. Bongani is building a fence around his rectangular garden. The fence wire is 16 meters long. By using an existing wall for one side, what are the dimensions of the largest area that he can enclose with this fencing wire? Assuming the length of the equal sides of the rectangle to be x meter, formulate an expression for the area of the rectangle. Solution. Let the length of the equal sides of the rectangle be x meter. Let the length of the remaining side of the rectangle be y meter. We know that the length of the fencing wire is 16 meter. Therefore, sum of the lengths of the three sides will need to be equal to 16 meter. Therefore, y equals 16 minus 2x. Now, we need to determine the dimensions of the largest area of the rectangular garden that can be enclosed. Area of a rectangle is given by the formula area equals length of the rectangle times its breadth. 16 minus 2x times x equals a. Rearranging the terms in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, we get 2x squared minus 16x plus a equals 0. Using the quadratic formula, we can determine the roots of the equation. Here, a equals 2, b equals negative 16, and c equals a. Substituting the values of a, b, and c, we get. Simplifying, we get. To calculate the dimensions of the largest area means that we need to maximize the area of the rectangle. However, the value of a will be limited by the expression inside the square root, because it cannot be negative. Note that there is a negative sign before 8a, so the lowest possible value of 256 minus 8a is 0. Hence the maximum possible value of 8a is 256. Therefore, a less than or equal to 32. We can now determine the dimensions of the largest area. 16x minus 2x squared equals 32. Dividing throughout by 2. 8x minus x squared equals 16. Factorizing, we get x minus 4 the whole square equals 0. X equals 4. Substituting the value of x equals 4 in equation 1, we get y equals 16 minus 2x equals 16 minus 2 times 4 equals 8. Therefore, the dimensions of the largest area are 4 meters and 8 meters.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.